In today's video, I'll show you how to add blocks in Elementor so you can quickly build clean, professional-looking sections on your website without writing any code. If you're using Elementor to design your website, blocks make the process much easier. They are pre-designed sections you can insert into your page and customize however you like. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the page where you want to add a block. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page you want to work on and click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor visual editor where you can design your page in real time. Once the editor loads, look at the main page area where your content appears. When you hover over an empty area, you'll notice a plus icon. Click this icon to add a new section to your page. Another option you may see is the folder icon. Clicking this will open Elementor's template library where you can access many ready-made designs. After opening the template library, select the Blocks tab. Here you'll find a wide variety of layout sections organized by category. For example, you might see blocks for hero sections, services, testimonials, contact forms, and many other website elements. Take a moment to browse through the available designs. When you find a block that fits the style you want, hover over it and click Insert. Elementor will automatically place that block onto your page. Now comes the customization part. Click on any text, image, or button inside the block to edit it. You can change the wording, replace images, adjust spacing, and modify the layout. Elementor also gives you styling options such as colors, fonts, backgrounds, and sizes so you can match the design with your website's branding. You can also move elements around using simple drag-and-drop controls. This flexibility makes it easy to create a layout that looks exactly how you want. Before finishing, it's a good idea to check how your page looks on different devices. Elementor includes responsive settings that allow you to preview your design on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. This helps ensure your page looks clean and readable everywhere. Once you're happy with your design, click Update or Publish to save your changes. And that's how you add blocks in Elementor to quickly build beautiful and functional website sections. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.